One of the first steps to fixing up your smile is actually visiting the dentist's office to get an initial clean check. For some, the idea of scary instruments and cold hands in your mouth can be scary, but here to set your mind at ease is our dental expert, Dr. Leedy. Always a pleasure to have you on. Now, this is something that's really cool that you do with first-time patients.
This is where we're scanning. You know, last week we talked about the iTero scan and how it turns into a three-dimensional virtual model of your teeth. Well, so now we happen to have Alex's smile, and we're going to look at what we could do with her smile. And this is great.
So you have here just a regular old laptop. This is kind of what you use to, everything's done on the computer nowadays.
Exactly, exactly. And it should do a 3D, having a little technical
model.
difficulty.
Well, kind of the video that we have shows basically the steps before this. We have to actually go in and...
Exactly. And scan the teeth so that we can turn what you see on this picture into a three-dimensional model. And then I'll play with the computer and we'll talk back and forth about how I want your smile to end up, looking at things like your bite, which is very important because when you can look at your teeth from the inside and see where the teeth are biting against each other, it's so important to know. Then you'll know why teeth are wearing certain places and why teeth that are out of line are breaking against other teeth and that type of thing. So it makes a huge difference. As you're seeing in the picture, that one tooth out of position lets everything start moving and changing, and then you create forces on the teeth that can cause actual damage to the teeth, to the jaw, to the bite. You can have an increase in headaches and sore neck and jaw. So many things, Alex, that it can make a huge difference to have all the data before you start.
Now, how long does this process take to where you're communicating with the computer and kind of deciding on a final product?
Well, it immediately send the scan over the internet and it begins to build the model. And then, like I said, we'll talk about, I'll look and put in input about the things I see, and then it'll put up a virtual model of what it could be.
Wow.
Isn't that cool?
That is cool. It's unbelievable just how far technology has come these days.
Yeah, I love it.
Okay, well, if you want to take part in all the fun, you go ahead and make your appointment to see Dr. Christy at Abilene Dental. Just call the number on your screen or head in to see them off Buffalo Gap Road. You can also find them on Facebook and Twitter. Just search for Abilene Dental. And as always, you can find all of Dr. Christy's advice for a beautiful smile online at bigcountryhomepage.com.